Hi, welcome to Crochet Craftsman. Today, we're making a super cute daisy ring. Ready to have some fun? I'll show you how to crochet a quick, adorable daisy ring. Perfect for beginners, to sell, or to gift someone you love. I hope you'll find this super helpful and really enjoyable. Feel free to mix and match colors. Make it yours. Want more patterns and written guides? Check out crochetstrends.com. I'll walk you through all the measurements and stitch counts step by step. I'm using 100% microfiber acrylic yarn for these rings. Which colors will you go for? Tell me in the comments. I can't wait to see. We'll be using a 2mm hook to crochet the rings. If you're enjoying this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. All right, ready? Let's jump right in and start making the rings. Leave a little yarn, make a slip knot, and crochet 21 chains. Keep those chains nice and even. Not too tight, not too loose. Depending on your hook and yarn, adjust the chains to fit your finger. Just measure the finger you want to fit and adjust your chains as needed. After 21 chains, make one single crochet in each stitch, starting from the second chain, all the way to the end. I made 20 single crochets, folded it carefully without twisting, and slip-stitched right into the very first one. Chain 1. Leave a little tail and snip the yarn. Now let's tie those two yarn ends together and neatly weave them in at the back. First, we'll tuck in the cut yarn, nice and easy. Take your time here. Those little details really bring it all together. Almost there. The base is looking so nice. How's it coming along? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear. Go ahead. Take a sip of tea or coffee. You're doing amazing. Use the starting yarn tail. Make a hidden join right at the top, and gently close up that little gap. Want even more tips and patterns? Join us over in the community tab. Don't forget, share your creations in the comments or on the community tab. I'd love to see what you make. And just like that, we've made the ring band. Like I said, you can size it by wrapping the chain around your finger. All right, now let's grab our second color and make a magic ring for the petals. Chain 4. And make a treble crochet right into the magic ring. Chain 4. Slip stitch into the ring. Chain 4 again. And treble crochet. Keep that flow going. Chain 4. Slip stitch into the ring. And just keep repeating until you have 7 cute little petals. Once you've got all 7 petals, go ahead and chain one. Leave a little tail, cut the yarn, and weave in both ends from the back. Almost there. Can you believe how cute it's looking? And just like that, we've finished the daisy design. Now for the little bud on top. Pick any color you like. I'm doubling the yarn here to make the bud extra puffy and raised. Depending on your yarn, you can totally skip doubling if you like. Leave a little tail and chain as tall as you want your bud to be. I'm doing 5 chains here. After finishing 5 chains, tie a knot, pass both ends through the magic ring, and secure it. Make sure the front of the chain sits right on top of the daisy. That way, it'll look extra neat and polished. Have you subscribed yet? It really helps us grow this crochet community. Join us over in the Community tab for polls, sneak peeks, and more fun. Thanks so much for being part of the Crochet Craftsman family. You can sew this daisy onto the ring, or just glue it on. Especially if you place it at the join, it'll look so much neater. Have a friend who loves crochet? Share this video. They'll love it too. All right, friends, we've finished all the steps for the ring. You can size it for your fingers, sell it, or gift it to someone you love. That's all I had for today. I really hope this was helpful. Thanks for crocheting with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next Crochet Craftsman tutorial. Bye for now.